美西南加州的野火在飓风的帮助之下，车皮已经烧到6个地区，上部有2000栋的建筑物被大火烧了，14万人被撤离，也有5个人不幸死亡。洛杉矶消防局也承认讲，因无在调控制这款的野火。目前拍电影的哈利坞，也个日落大道洛杉矶市，拢出现起火点，这灾情有可能是有史以来上严重的。
南加州这场野火烧1天1暝了后，对卫星相片来看，太平洋、帕里塞兹、伊顿、阿尔塔迪纳等等火场，规涂骹拢红光光，空中嘛拢浓烟，主题区甚至看起来规片臭火大，有够大噪的环境，加上上大的风速，来到每点钟160公里。飓风点级别圣塔安娜强风直直口，车北火是一路路燃，一直炭烧到比佛利山庄和洛杉矶迄边。火场的名独行叫做是日头落山的大火。 情形是真严重。
This firestorm is the big one in magnitude. Hurricane force winds are usually accompanied by rainstorms, but these are hurricane force winds that are combined with extremely dry drought conditions. To provide context, at 10:20 a.m. yesterday, the Palisades fire was at 10 acres. 12 minutes later, it was at 200 acres.
加州各级的消防单位已经全力出动，拢无法度阻挡火继续炭烧。有6个地区已经烧到规片火海，这种2000栋的建筑，和野火是烧到密密麻麻。电力工业重镇好莱坞、日落大道和洛杉矶市拢出现大火点，大约和华人真济的帕萨迪纳、阿卡迪亚，嘛拢伫咧撤离的范围内。
We have experienced a tremendous tragedy here in our community. To date, we have over 100,000 people under mandatory evacuation. We've had 5 fatalities, and then we have close to another 100,000 people who have been warned to evacuate because they are in a danger zone.
火势是各急各猛，帕里塞兹的大火烧无到1点钟，唯一一条连外道路帕里塞兹大道，就互几百台汽车是塞甲满，有几十个人规汽车等来用行的。洛杉矶消防局承认讲已经无能力来应付这种规模的火灾，野火的控制率是0，欠常用水、烧火、油烟池、水池的水嘛拢互抽起用。
Our house was estimated about 1.3 million. And now it's all gone, so right now it's not worth anything. And I'm pretty sure some houses up here are worth even more. And just to see them go in a couple seconds is really sad.
美国总统拜登车北是取消本地要去意大利的行程，和州长纽森做伙到圣塔莫尼卡消防局来了解灾情。迄天嘛签联邦紧急命令，让联邦经费和资源较紧来投入救灾。公司新闻王慧文编译。